children, we are going to study about the conversion of units of speed. One more time I explain the result, children. You should write. This is India classic note, children. The 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. The 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. The 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. The 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. To convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Dear children, last session we studied about convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we multiply by 5 divided by 18. But here meter per second into kilometer per hour. So we need to multiply by 18 divided by 5. So 1 meter per second is equal to 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. How this result we get means, listen children, here we have 1 meter. So 1 meter, that means how much kilometer children? 1 meter is equal to, division come you know. So 1 divided by 1,000. Isn't it? Then seconds children. So seconds means in hour how much? How much? The 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. So I write this line. Isn't it? So here 1 divided by 1,000 and we have 3,600 you know. This one in division form. So now this one our numerator. This is our denominator. We have 1. Children, here I write 3,600 divided by 1. This like you no need to write children. Listen. This is seconds you know children. Convert into hour. So 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. That means we need seconds you know. So come this side. What comes we? 1 divided by 3,600. That means children, one more time I explain well. This is 1 meter, 1 meter you know. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. I need here meter. So I keep this unit here. This is in multiplication. So I bring this opposite side of equal to means this like you have to get is kilometer. So here 1 divided by 1,000 kilometer. What? 1 meter. Isn't it? From this result I put the numerator this one. Next is children 1 second. So listen. So 1. Here what we get? 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. Listen carefully. So what we need seconds alone. What we need? Seconds. So what we need, that alone you keep here. This is in multiplication. I bring this in opposite side of the equal to what? It comes in reciprocal. That means in division form. Isn't it? On R, 1 by 3,600. How many seconds? 1 second. So instead of what you have to apply? This one. So 1 divided by 3600. From the result we get it. Can you understand? Now, what and all you have in your hand? 1 divided by 1000. This also one more division, children. I changed this division into multiplication. So I change this one in reciprocal form. That means I change numerator and denominator. The numerator comes in denominator and denominator comes in numerator. That is the reciprocal form. Now you can cut 1 0. The 0 cut. How much you get now? 36 divided by 10. Because 136 is 36. 10 ones are 10. 36 ones are 36. 10 ones are 10. This also you can divide, In your ones place you have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. That number should be divided by 2 table. So children, how many times 2 in 10? 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. So how many times, children? 5 times. Then you see in your numerator you have 3. 3 is should greater than the 2. So how many times? 2 in 3. How many times, children? 1 time. Because one more time we get means 4. So 1 time. That means 3. Subtract 2. Remaining we have 1. That remaining I put here. Now you get 16. What do you get, children? 16. So how many times 2 in 16? How many times? 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. So how many times? 8 2s are 16. 8. So what you get? 18 divided by 5. So we get our result, So only we multiple. When we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, we should multiply by 18 divided by 5. This reason only. Let us go through the problem. Our first problem, convert 60 meter per second into kilometer per hour. So we need to change the meter per second to kilometer per hour. So 1 meter per second is equal to, what we need? As usual, our formula is 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. But here we need 60 meter per second. So 60 multiplied by 18 by 5. Dear children, in your ones place you have 0 and 5 means that number should divided by 5. So how many times 5 in 5? 1 5 is 5. So I write 1 time. Then here in 6, so greater than the 5, you check how many times 5 in 6? 1 time, children. 1 5 is 5. 6 minus 5, we get remaining 1. Remaining, you get 1. That one you put here. So now what you get? 10. Here from 1 tens, you give, here 0 ones. So what we get? 10. Now you find how many times 5 in 10? How many times 2 5s are 10? So in 10, 2 times. I cut the 10, I write 2, so I get 12 children. Now you get 12 multiplied by 18. In denominator you have 1, you leave it that one. So 12 multiplied by 18, 2 8s are 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, cut the 6, write under the 1's place, carry the remaining 1 into the 10's place. 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Next I take 10's place, so I leave 1's place and go to the 10's place. 1 2 is 2, 1 1 is 1. So what comes here? 6. 9 in the mind. After 9, 10, 11. I cut the 1 and write under the 10's place. Carry the remaining 1 into the 100th place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. So children, how much you get? 216 kilometer per hour. So what's our answer, children? So our answer 60 meter per second is equal to 216 kilometer per hour. So children, in this session, we study about how to convert the meter per second into kilometer per hour. We need to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Should multiply by 18 divided by 5. This is very important. Dear children, I hope dear children, in this session, you have studied about how to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. I hope you all learned well. Thank you, children.